So this particular washing machine joint top loader is having draining problem. You turn on the drain, switch the drain, water is not draining out from the washing tub. So for that reason, I looked into it, and the washing machine belongs to my colleague. Try to switch the drain, but the water is not coming out. No water is coming out from the hose. So I started looking for the issue, opened the bag and checked, found out that the draining valve, the rope that held it in place, that is being turned by the switch, has been broken. Though the shaft is still there, the valve shaft is still there, with a little bit of the plastic tape that is on it. So we can actually manually drain it from behind here. So I look at it critically, then I figured out what to do to solve this problem. So after inspecting it carefully, I decided to do something. So I decided to perforate the middle of that leftover plastic tape, so that I can use the ring of a key holder to hold them together in place. That was what I did. So these are the broken pieces that I'm picking up. Broken pieces after it has worked for so long. The plastic had become worn out and it broke off the rope that goes up to the draining knob top. So you can see it. This one has a nose on which the connector, the ring I'm going to use, can hold, but the damp part doesn't have any nose any longer. The nose has broken off. So I decided to perforate it so that I can hold it together with the ring of my key holder. So you can see the perforation I made into it in the middle, perforated in the middle right here. Then the next job is to use the ring for my key holder to hold them together in place. I've inspected it. I discovered that the space is just like the diameter of the ring. Can you see the ring here? The ring from the key holder, I've removed all the keys. I looked at it critically. It's about the size of the space created by the broken tape that energizes the valve, the draining valve. So right here, I'm going to use this ring to hold the two parts in position, so that when you switch from the knob, you can be able to hold it. Now let's fix that. So I fix it first to the upper part, then to the lower part, which is actually the shaft of the valve. Then if you now pull it from top, you discover that you can pull the valve like it was originally. So I'm fixing them together now using the ring from my key holder to hold the two in place. That's what I'm doing right now. So I inserted the ring into the hole and also into the nose, the upper nose. So it balances the job, it holds them in place. Can you see that? The ring is now holding the two together. I tried it manually, testing it manually whether I can lift it, and perfectly lifted it up perfectly. Can you see that? Then I try using the knob switch, the drain switch on top, and it's also working perfectly. And that is how I managed to solve that draining problem. If your washing machine is having the same issue, you can open the bag and inspect to know what is happening to the drain valve. You can see it here. They are now held together properly, and the ring is also galvanized in nature, so it also withstand moisture. At the back of the washing machine, can you see I'm operating it with the switch, the drain switch on top, and it's working perfectly. Can you see that? Draining is now restored by operating the switch. Now that is done, I want you to like and share the video. The back cover is now put in place right now. Like, share the video, share it very well to others who might have issues or their washing machine like this. Do like and share the video. Until our next video, I hope to see you like and share the video. Like and share the video. Like and share the video. Until my next video, I want to say thank you for watching and bye bye.